Our last step in formatting our worksheet here is to format these numbers within the data section of our worksheet. Now, since we're working with dollar amounts, it's best to show that this is in fact a currency. I would like you to select the range B4 over to F4, and up in the number group we are going to apply this accounting number format, which is going to format this as a dollar sign. Don't worry about column E right now if it's not showing for you all the way. It might be kind of depending on where your zoom is, but we're going to fix that here momentarily. Okay, now we're going to put that dollar sign. We don't need to put it everywhere, otherwise it's going to make our worksheet look super busy, but we are going to put that in our total rows. So let's go ahead and highlight B6 to F6. Let's apply the accounting number format. We're also going to do the same thing in row 9. So we'll go B9 over to F9 since it's the start of this data section and apply the accounting number format. We're also going to apply that accounting number format to row 18. And then finally B20 over to F20 and apply the accounting number format. Okay, now these don't look the best. It'd be better if we kind of either added decimal places or some commas to at least separate the thousands. Highlight B5 over to F5, and up in the number group we are going to apply this a comma style format, which is going to format with a thousand separator. Okay, we're not going to put any of the decimal places in here, so along this number group you're going to see this increase and this decrease decimal. We're going to decrease this 2 times, so go 1, 2, so you don't see any decimal places, but you still see the comma in between any sort of thousand separators. Finally, we'll do the same thing to B10 down to F17. We're going to highlight that range, apply the comma style format, and again, to make it look a little bit less busy, we will decrease the decimal place 2 times. So since column E, and yours might be showing this, all this means, these hashtags or these pound signs, what they ultimately mean is that the column is not wide enough to display the data. It's not necessarily that there's an issue in there. So a quick fix for that is we're just going to auto fit the width of the column to show everything that's in there. To do that, you're going to move your mouse up between the E and the F so your mouse changes to a double-sided black arrow, and just go ahead and double click. Okay, and now all of our information is fully displayed. We also see a little bit of an issue where the word miscellaneous is getting cut off down here, so I'm going to auto fit between A and B by double clicking up in the top, 1, 2, and now our text auto fits into the cell. Go ahead and save your worksheet and move on to the next video.